Hey all, so today we'll be looking at how you can change your radio source from AM to FM in the all new Tata Nexon. So this is the Tata Nexon 2020 Bs6 variant. So this comes with the updated facelift variant. This is the infotainment system that comes with it. The variant that I'm using right now is the Nexon xz+s variant, that is the one with the sunroof. So this comes just below the O variant, that is the optional one. So the infotainment is the same that comes with XZ, XZ+, XZ+O and XZ+S. The only difference with this one and the one on the optional will be that the optional will be having the connected car app. So when you first start off with the Tata Nexon, it can be pretty confusing on how you can change your FM source. So I'll just go ahead. Okay, right now I'm in the infotainment home screen. I'll just take my radio. So you can see it's currently in AM. There's a lot of static over here. I'm not tuned into anything. And it's pretty confusing on how you can change to FM. If you look at it, you cannot find any options where you can go to your FM, even if you go over here. It's a little bit tricky on how you can find it at first. So to go to your FM, on the right you can see your park, this is your USB source app. So you click on that and you can see the FM and AM options. So you just select FM and that's it. So you just went to your FM mode. So alternatively, if you have your steering controls, you can have a, I don't know if you can see that, yep. So you can see that there's a source button over here in the center that toggles between the FM, AM and the USB if you have connected anything. So if you just click that, it sources from AM to FM or USB or even Bluetooth audio. So this is your source toggle button. It comes right in the middle of the volume up and down. So if it again, just press that. Yeah, now it's in BT audio. It's an FM and it's an AM. So that's pretty much it on how you can toggle from FM to AM in the Tata Nexon. I hope this helps. If you need anything further, just let me know down in the comments.